Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for spending time with me. Welcome to Just Cook DC Friday Night Cocktails. When you see my face and we're making a cocktail, it's Friday. Let us make our tequila sunrise. If you are like me, back in the day, we abused tequila. So here's a nice, sexy, flavorful drink made with tequila that makes you enjoy tequila. Alright, here we go. Grenadine tequila, use a white tequila. Freshly squeezed orange juice, highball glass full of ice. We're gonna garnish this with some pineapple, cherries, and I'm gonna use some of the oranges in here. Bring up the drink, make it nice and sexy. Let's make this drink. First things first, let us make fresh orange juice. You're gonna need about 4 ounces of this. Got my juicer going. Folks, every chance you get when you're making cocktails, stick with your fresh ingredients. I'm gonna cut a piece of this out. Gonna use it for my garnish. It's gonna make the drink look pretty and sexy. That should do it. Alright, let us make this drink. You're gonna start off with 2 ounces of white tequila directly into the ice glass. Alright, then we're going to do 4 ounces of fresh orange juice. That should do it. Looks pretty. And then we're going to do a 1/4 ounce of grenadine right on to our drink, and that's gonna settle down and give us a beautiful, beautiful color. There you go. Oh, look at that, that's sexy. That's pretty. And for the garnish, I got my orange. I'm gonna cut it into a wheel well. Get some cherries. I'm gonna start with pineapple, why not? Orange, and a cherry. And there, folks, we have our tequila sunrise. I gotta tell you, it's a beautiful, sexy looking drink. Let's give it a shot. Tequila tastes a little different when you make a tequila sunrise. This is definitely a heck of a drink. It's a nice summery drink. It's beautiful, it's sexy, it smells good, looks nice. Hey man, fresh ingredients, best of the tequila. It's Friday night. Thank you for spending time with me. Like, share, subscribe. See you next Friday. When you see me make a cocktail, it is Friday. Have a good weekend.